What we see in this video isn't just any ordinary wood splitter, it's an incredible DIY log splitter built in a home garage using scrap metal and simple hydraulic components. This system, reminiscent of machines built in professional factories, silently splits thick, tough logs in two with a single lever movement. This amateur invention, combining power, balance, and ingenuity, has been meticulously crafted to every detail. From the hands welded to the first log tested, every moment captivates the viewer. The Wolfcraft marking and alignment system used in this scene makes taking measurements flawless in seconds. Straight, symmetrical, and error-free markings are created in a single move, eliminating the need for repeated bending overs. This is precisely how professional results can be achieved in an amateur workshop. The pieces line up perfectly, the cuts are precise, and every step makes the viewer wonder, was it that simple? The DIY pizza oven build we watch in this episode shows how a simple backyard project can transform into a breathtaking spectacle. Bricks are laid one by one, a mixture of clay and cement creates a heat-resistant shell, and the previously empty space is transformed into a veritable stone oven. The moment the fire is lit, everything changes. What you see here isn't your average drone. It's a mind-blowing DIY drone built piece by piece in a home workshop with a human inside. Motors are individually tested, propellers are balanced, and every connection is crucial. While a small mistake could have major consequences, the entire system operates with incredible precision. When liftoff arrives, breaths are held, and within seconds, this craft lifts off the ground, proving just how far amateur inventions can go. What we see on this stage isn't a toy, it's a real homemade excavator built from scratch. As metal parts are cut one by one, welds are applied, and pistons are installed. This machine gradually comes to life. The moment the first digger hits the sand, everyone's gaze changes. Because this excavator doesn't just move, it actually digs. It lifts, it turns, and it displays a power that rivals professional construction equipment. The Mutant big wheel that appears on screen in this episode is unlike any vehicle you're used to. The moment the giant wheels touch down, everything changes. Scrap parts, an engine, and pure imagination combine to create a truly monstrous machine. Mud, rocks, or slopes are irrelevant. This vehicle simply won't stop. The sound it makes when the ignition is turned clearly tells the viewer that this is no ordinary test. The DIY bike trailer we're looking at here is much more than just a simple bicycle attachment. What started as an idea in the garage has evolved into a clever solution that makes daily life a whole lot easier. The metal frame is being shaped, the wheels are being installed, and as balance tests are carried out, curiosity grows with each passing second. This trailer, which doesn't wobble once loaded and maintains control on curves, effectively transforms the bike into a mini transport vehicle. What you see in this scene isn't an ordinary bicycle. It's a mind-boggling jet-powered bicycle with a jet engine integrated into the rear. There are pedals, but the real power comes from the rear. The sound of the engine starting up makes it clear this isn't an experiment. The wind whips up at the face, and the bike reaches incredible speed in a matter of seconds, and everyone watching reflexively moves closer to the screen. The wooden air engine we encounter in this episode is like a mind-bending puzzle that immediately surprises us. Despite being made entirely of wood, this air-powered system actually moves. Pistons reciprocate, gears rotate in perfect synchronization, and a mechanical marvel emerges without a single metal engine part. The moment it starts, it instantly locks the human brain. What you see in this scene isn't straight out of a movie set. It's a breathtaking homemade helicopter built entirely in a workshop. The metal frame is assembled piece by piece. The rotor system is meticulously tuned, and every connection is crucial. The tension felt when the engine is first started transcends the screen. This is because this machine isn't just spinning, it's actually preparing for takeoff. The homemade corn and grain separator you see in this episode is a clever solution that reduces hours spent in the field to seconds. A simple frame, a rotating mechanism, and precisely positioned components combine to separate the corn cobs practically by itself. Once the machine is activated, the kernels are separated smoothly, leaving the cobs behind, and the result is a clean finish. The DIY barrel BBQ smoker featured in this episode demonstrates how an ordinary barrel can be transformed into a true flavor machine. Once the cuts are made, the lid is adjusted, and the air vents are positioned in the right spot, everything is under control. When the fire is first lit, the smoke slowly rises, and the meat inside begins to cook patiently for hours. The Velociraptor's hitch-mounted rack you see in this scene truly takes bike transport to a whole new level. Its sturdiness inspires confidence the moment it's attached to the back of the vehicle, and thanks to the mechanism that locks in minutes, bikes feel like they're part of the car. No shaking, no wobbling, no stress. The homemade car lift we see in this episode instantly proves how a garage can be transformed into a professional workshop. Each steel profile is individually measured, the lifting mechanism is meticulously assembled, and the entire load balance is meticulously calculated. During the first test, a genuine sense of tension is felt on the screen as the car begins to lift off the ground. This system not only works, it also inspires confidence. The homemade vehicles we encounter in this scene are the very embodiment of imagination, metal, and engine fusion. These vehicles, created in garages, backyards, and small workshops, aren't factory built. They're purely the product of ingenuity and courage. Scrap parts are reassembled, engines are revived, and the result is machines that defy the rules. Some are incredibly fast, some are incredibly powerful, and some will make you wonder, how does this work, the moment you see them? The homemade Inventions compilation you watch in this episode proves one by one that creativity knows no bounds. Ideas born in garages, backyards, and small workshops with a little effort and courage transform into incredible inventions. Simple pieces come together, logic kicks in, and solutions emerge that will leave you wondering, who thought of this? The motorcycle stands we've seen in this section are among the clever solutions that may seem small but are lifesavers in the motorcycle world. Created with simple metal profiles, accurate angle calculations, and sturdy welds, these stands secure your motorcycle in seconds. Chain maintenance, tire changes, or cleaning are no longer a hassle. They're a completely controlled process. The DIY Sherp you see in this episode is much more than just an off-road vehicle. As the giant balloon tires are attached to the chassis, this machine's purpose becomes clear. Designed to navigate any terrain, whether swamp, snow, water, or rocky terrain, it's designed to last. This project, which began in the garage, gradually evolved into a true beast, complete with welding sounds and test drives.